Hi guys, welcome back to another Mujahid Gibran video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download PES 2023, the brand new update from Google Play Store. And I just heard that the application brand new version just came out, and I want to share this video with you because I have many people that saying that we can't find the game inside the Google Play Store and blah blah blah, and you know the usual stuff about the Google Play Store privacy and policy of downloading a foreign app from this app, wherever, from the developer or from the Google Play Store. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up. By the way, I already downloaded the game, so this is it, and this is the brand new poster for the game. You can see it, eFootball GM. This is the brand new update from Konami. So I just need to open the Google Play Store, and then here I am. Both of you and major of you have this regular Google Play Store with only 2 tabs, games and apps, and it used to be 4 because Google has removed the Play Movie, and there are only 3 now: gameplay, games and app. So if this, what you can see here, this is your Google Play Store app. When you open it, or only when you search for Google Play Store for the PES, you won't find the real game inside. Will bring you the Dream League and PES SPV and another bunch of crap apps that you don't even need to install. So but if you change it, I have the American version of the Google Play Store. If I press here, as you can see, the email will be here like this. This is my emails. You can see now it have books, apps and games. So if I search here, you will find the PES 2023 brand new update from Google Play Store. And first thing, guys, if you want this without a modification to anything on the Google Play Store, you need to go to your google.com and then enter your Google Play Store information and go into the inside the region tab, and then change from region which you are in, change it to the United States of America or United Kingdom or Australia. That might help you. But if you don't want to go through all that warning and annoying stuff, you have to go to Play Store and then search for any type of VPN. I recommend to install ExpressVPN, but it's paid. You can use a Super VPN, and also you can use 360 VPN. All of those VPN will work in this search. I'm already have VPN here, so I'm running with a Petron VPN. So I have the toggle on my quick access panel. If I press on connect, you can see here it's doing itself, and it's connected to the Netherlands. So I close it back and I go back to my international version of the Google Play Store, and I close the app. Here is some tips bonus. If you open the app without showing you that the books tab, you need to make clear data and cache for the Google Play Store. And if you open it just like this and you still searching for PES and you still doesn't find the result, you need to do a factory and wipe cache. How to do that? Just press and hold on the Google Play Store icon, and then type on the little information icon. If you are a Samsung user, you might see it different if you are Huawei or Xiaomi or OnePlus or whatever Android phone you have there. Just hold on the battery. Sorry about that, I don't know why I'm today disturbing. And hit on storage, and then on storage hit on clear data, and cache automatically will clear itself after clearing the data. And then close this once again, and then go back to Google Play Store again. If you bring you term and condition or blah blah blah, you might need to agree, and if you doesn't, this is the international version, hit on accept and wait patiently. And then we do have a games, apps, and there's a bunch of recommendations which are allowing you to install this, but you can skip that. Hit on back again, and you can see here we do have a books, apps and games. And if you search for PES on the Play Store, now you can find the result on the very top of the page. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now you have the result on the top of the search, not on that previous one which is saying you that this you won't find the result. If you found it, the same you can purchase and download the game inside this app. So guys, this is the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like and comment, and I catch you in the next one. Peace, have a great day.